In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design a t-shirt using Canva. Here I am in Canva as you can see right now, and I'm just going to type in t-shirt. After typing this, you can find a couple of suggestions here, and you will just have to click in here, which you can see 14 into 18 inch. After clicking on that, you can see couples of a bunch of templates which you can use for your design, or you can try create a blank t-shirt as well, whichever you prefer. But for this video I am going to use a template, and which is this one. So as I have picked this template, and I'm gonna click on this customize this template, and after it clicking on that, you can see I have moved to this new tab. So all I have to do is edit this text, and we are good to go. And I have already quote which is never drive away from good serve. So what I'm planning is never drive away on this here, this line, and from good serve in the bottom. So let's just copy, and just I'm going to just select it and enter, press on keyboard and Control V, which will be paste. And for the bottom of the line I am going to copy again and enter, paste again. And for give it a good look, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Yeah, bigger, and maybe try to fix the position, and that's it. And we are good to go with the design. And I'm going to make it this little bit, a little bit move down. After it, I'm satisfied with my design, and I'm going to download it. And just click the share button and download. After here I will select PNG, and just press download. Okay, so this one is showing me Canva watermark. Maybe I have selected the design, but this elements is paid. But I'm not gonna paying anything, but I'm going to use download a free watermark draft. As you can see, this is going to download. And here it is. You can use it for your own design, or maybe you can place a different illustration here. In this way that won't be any copyright issue, and there won't be any watermark design. So that's how you can design your very own customized t-shirt design using Canva. And thank you for watching.